Hi everyone! Welcome to my first YouTube video, and I decided now to be a full-time content creator in terms of virtual assistant content. So by the way, I'm Jaya, but you can call me Jay. I've been a virtual assistant for 5 years now, and I've learned a lot of different niches as a virtual assistant. And now I decided to share all my knowledge to you guys. So my first video is how to become a successful virtual assistant. So I have 5 things on how to become a successful virtual assistant. Number 1 is, of course, identify your skills. But since wala pa tayong alam or knowledge about virtual assistant, is nahihirapan ka rin i-identify yung skills mo. Tama? Especially sa mga nag-work in a corporate. Kahit napakahabang trabaho nila as an admin sa isang corporate company or local company, is nahihirapan pa rin silang i-identify yung skills nila para i-showcase sa client. Number 2 is learn the basics. Yes, as a virtual assistant is dapat alam mo ang mga basics na gagawin mo. But the thing is, paano mo nga malalaman kung ano yung mga basics kung hindi mo rin naman alam kung ano ang maisa-showcase mo, kung ano ang tatrabahuin mo sa possible client mo or future client mo. Number 3 is create a portfolio. Yes, create a portfolio. That's why sa mga training ko, actually guys, I have students na nag-OJT talaga sila. And then pinapagawan ko sila everyday ng content para pag magsisend sila ng portfolio sa potential client, is meron silang mapapakita na trabaho nila or na trinabaho nila. And then number 4, of course, find clients. Paano ka makakahanap ng clients? Yes, nasa training natin yan. So, napakarami. Pwede nating hanapin yung clients sa different social media platform or different recruitment site. But ngayon is merong way para makontak natin ang mga client or makahanap tayo ng mga direct client. Na-ino-offer ko din po yan sa free training ko. And yung free training ko at yung iba kong social media platform is nandito po sa comment sections. And then, pwede din po tayong pang 5 natin is pwede tayong mag-offer ng mga packages o services. But, hindi po yun applicable para sa, based on my experience lang to guys. So, disclaimer that all the knowledge that I'm sharing to you is based on my own experience. And then, pasensya na kung meron makakarinig nito na perfect mag-English. Hindi po ako perfect mag-English, pero virtual assistant po ako. So, it means, hindi lang po pang magagaling na mag-English ang mga virtual assistant. Okay? So, nga pala guys, is may free training ako. Daily yon. I'm not daily, sorry. Every weekends. Yan, join my community. Nasa link po, nasa comment section po yung link ng community. And can you please follow na rin po ng social media platform ko na nasa comment section as well. And then, para ma-qualify ko po kung sino po yung makakasali po sa training ko every weekends. Yeah, see you there guys. By the way, I have training ngayong Saturday. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now and see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye.